First thing we're going to do, get this out of the way. I've got the oven preheated at 400 degrees. Going to take our coconut. I measured this out. We've got 1.5 cups. The recipe we was using was just calling for 1 cup and 8 ounces of chips. The bag we've got is 12 ounces. So we did a little bit of math. Double checked it. Checked it twice. Quit laughing at me, Shug. So what we done, it was calling for 1 cup of coconut. So we made 1.5 cups of coconut. We're gonna toast this up. We'll make sure the recipe is in the description. Put this on here. It says just toast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Just don't want to burn it up. Just till it gets golden brown. It'll make all the difference in the world, folks. And while it's doing that there, I'll be getting the chips ready. All we gotta do, we'll put them in this bowl here. Put it in the microwave. 30-second intervals till it gets melted. Mix it all together. We'll take a little cookie scoop, put it on some parchment paper, refrigerator. We're done. See you in a minute. Already cooled off pretty good. Now what we'll do, we'll take this here. I'm going to melt the chocolate chips, like I said, 30-second intervals. Yesterday it took roughly 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then we'll add in the coconut. Alrighty, I've got the chips here starting to melt. Now we'll just take our coconut. Don't dump it, Doug. Oh my gracious. Quit laughing at me over there, Shug. Oh, good gosh. There we go. Here, assistant. My lovely assistant. Okay, now all I'm going to do is stir this up, mix it up real good here. You can see I'm getting it mixed up. Alrighty. And then what we'll do, we'll take our little cookie scoop bar. You still there laughing at me?
No.
Looks like you're laughing at me.
Let's go to sleep.
Gosh, I'm boring her so much she's falling asleep.
Oh, I'm tired.
Alright. Here you go, Shug. You can lick the spatula. Clean up my mess here real quick. Good? Bad?
Good.
Throw out of the way. And now.
If you had marshmallow, it'd be a malacup.
Did you hear that, folks? She said add some marshmallows. It'd be just like a mallow cup. Alrighty. Take our little cookie scoop here. Take them. Like I said, tomorrow night we're going to be making some lemon cookies. I tell you, folks, those cookies that we made the other day, they was good and soft. Or I thought so. Did you like them?
Yeah, delicious.
And you can make these however big or small you want them. Just take them in and stick them in the refrigerator, let them chill, and you'll be eating. I went over to my mom's this evening and we made some of that fudge we made here the other night. The German chocolate. Except we used white chocolate chips to try that there. I've not went back over yet to see how it was or talk to her. It looked good. There was a couple people at work. They said they were going to try making it there. I think we'll be able to get one more out of here. And then I'll take these outside and put them in the refrigerator out back on the back porch. Go over there and run some water in this. Actually, Carolyn and Dan can lick the bowl. There you go, Sugar. Alright, folks, I'm going to get these put away. Then I'm going to start melting the butterscotch chips, and we'll get those made. And what it's going to be, I'll let you know. I can't really remember. I think it's 1 can to 1 bag of butterscotch. Now, last year the ones we made had peanut butter and all in it. This time all it's going to have is butterscotch chips and chow mein. Daniel loves those. Let me go put these in the refrigerator. I'll be right back. Is it recording?
Yeah.
We were having difficulty with the camera tonight, folks. Alrighty. We've got our butterscotch heated. The bowl's heated too. Carolyn reminded me that it's not microwave safe. Just a little rant. You're pioneer woman. Your stuff's not cheap. We still buy it, but you may have some out there that's microwave safe. I don't know. But all the ones that we've got are not microwave safe. Just throwing that out there. That's my little rant right now. Alrighty. We've got the butterscotch chips melted. I'm going to put 1.5 cups in. We'll see what that looks like and see if we need to add more. Yeah, I believe we can stand a little bit more. Let's throw in, okay, 1 full thing, 1 5-ounce can. Like I said, folks, it's been a while since I made this here, like last year. Alrighty, and just mix everything up real good, get it coated. And then what we'll do, we'll spoon out some little haystacks. Got our pan here with the parchment paper on it. Get it all good and mixed up. But no, so far, or at least the ones Carolyn. Maybe I've just not bought her the right ones, or she's not bought the right ones. Every one we use of them, it says not for microwave use.
Except for the ceramic.
Except for the ceramic. I'm talking about these pretty plastic ones like she's got and all. That's just my little thing there. Alrighty. Now, I've got everything coated good. Folks, we don't have an island. We're using the table here to where you're able to see a little something. Ain't making them too purty this year. No. If I remember right, little Dixie liked butterscotch. Once again, this here's recipe where you could do with your kids, I believe. Just be careful as usual. Like I said, it's nothing. Like I said, folks, years ago, I can remember years ago when we first got our first microwave. And, Lord, well, I was getting older before we had our first microwave. Everything was done on the stove. And I can remember Christmas time, Mom being in there making her peanut butter fudge and all. And I mean, it was like boiling lava. If you'd have got it on you, Lord, it would have burnt you up. I think I'm gonna have to get in there a piece of. I ain't got a whole lot. I may just let a couple of them touch. But like I said, be there, Mom be a stirring it. At that time, well, I'd say, can I stir? No. I guess she's afraid I'd get burned up. And then once she got done pouring it in the thing, cool off a little bit, spoon there. There goes my phone. Goodness gracious. Need to start leaving that somewhere else. Get to lick the pot. Alrighty, folks. Get this out. Daniel, he'll be happy to come lick the bowl of this. I'll put all this in there. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. We'll take these and stick them in the refrigerator. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you tomorrow with cookies. Like I said, tomorrow be Christmas Eve. Where the time has got to, I don't know. Everybody stay safe. And Lord willing, we'll be seeing you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.